Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the delicious world of homemade kimchi. The first crucial step is preparing your cabbage. You'll want to select a fresh Napa cabbage, weighing around 2 to 3 pounds for the best results. After quartering it lengthwise, cut the cabbage into 2-inch pieces. Then, brine it in a salt solution for about 2 to 3 hours. This process is essential for both texture and fermentation. Finally, rinse the salted cabbage thoroughly under cold water and drain it completely. Now let's create the heart of your kimchi, the flavorful paste. You'll need key ingredients such as Korean chili flakes, fresh garlic, ginger, and a good quality fish sauce. To balance the flavors, remember to add a sweet element, perhaps an Asian pear or a small amount of sugar. For that authentic, deep umami, include some fermented shrimp paste. Finally, a bit of glutinous rice flour porridge will thicken your paste and help with the fermentation process. With your paste ready, it's time for the fun part. Mixing. Always wear gloves to protect your hands as you thoroughly combine the vibrant paste with the prepared cabbage. Make sure every piece is evenly coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into an airtight container, pressing down to remove any air pockets. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on your preference, then transfer it to the refrigerator for a slower, continued fermentation. Once your kimchi has fermented to your liking, proper storage is key to enjoying it for a long time. Keep your fermented kimchi in the refrigerator, where it can last for several weeks or even many months. You'll find that its flavor will deepen and become more complex over time in cold storage. Enjoy this versatile condiment as a delicious side dish, incorporate it into hearty stews, or use it as a flavorful ingredient in countless other recipes. It's truly a culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.